Hello friend, this is my garden and see here. What did you find? Sun. Sun is hiding behind the trees because it's evening time. Actually it was a sunny day. It was bright sunny day, but this is evening time and sun is going to set. So see, the view is so beautiful. I want to show you this side. This side, some children, they are sitting and they are gazing me that what I am doing in my field. You might be thinking that I always show you people view of my village, my area. What's new? Why I show you? There is one reason, because if you notice, every time you will find something new, because this is the magic of nature, right? If you see the nature carefully, every time you will find something new. So I thought to show you people before I show my face. Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lot of things. So if you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. First thing, I got a lot of comments. People, they were asking me that how many hours I practice. And other thing, that how did I get fluency? So I'm going to answer. First of all, my friend, if I talk about how many hours I practice, so the thing is that when I was a beginner, I used to practice a lot. I used to give hours and hours. But now I give few minutes as per my spare time. Okay, but as a beginner, I was very much dedicated. I used to give hours and hours. Day in and day out, I used to think about English language. So I want to ask you, how many hours do you practice? Are you a beginner? If you are a beginner, you should give a lot of time, because if you give a lot of time for speaking English, for listening, for reading, the chances are your English will improve very fast way. But if you give just few minutes, then you will take a lot of time. So my friend, as a beginner, I used to practice a lot. So if you are a beginner, then what are you going to do? You are also going to practice a lot, right? But sometime, it feels burdensome. I had also started feeling, oh God, that I'm giving a lot of time. Where is my result? My English is not improving. So I would say, don't practice day in and day out. But yeah, if you can, then do it. But if you can't, then try to practice at least few hours, at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. Because if you give a lot of time, then I told you that your English will improve fast way. My friend, if you talk about how many minutes or how much time I give nowadays, so I just practice few minutes, or someday I practice few hours also. It totally depends on my spare time. Because if I do my house chores or some other work at my home, then I don't practice that much. But yeah, there is one thing that I can assure you, that I never ever break my consistency. Yes, you heard me right. I always maintain consistency. I practice few minutes or few hours, but I practice every single day. So in your case also, no matter how many minutes or how many hours you are going to practice, you should be consistent if you want to improve your English. So what did you find? How many hours Anita practice? I told you, as a beginner, I used to practice hours and hours, but now I practice some day, some hours. I practice few minutes also, because it totally depends on my free time, right? So in your case also, if you are a beginner, then practice a lot. Listen at least few minutes, then read few minutes, and then talk to someone, and that's how your English will improve. As a beginner, we need to focus so much, right? Because we have to learn how to understand everything while reading, while listening, while talking to people also, right? But once we improve, once we get one level, so if we don't focus that much, even it will improve. But no matter what is our level, where we are, we need to maintain our consistency. Then we can reach to advanced level. We can become a fluent English speaker, right? So this is what I do. And I told you that I spend a lot of time. I have already spent a lot of time for speaking this language. So it totally depends on your spare time. If you have a lot of time, then give for this language, because you will learn it fast way. If you don't have a lot of time, you are working professional, then you should give few minutes, right, as per your spare time. So that's how I practice, and I give that much time for speaking this language. If you ask me how did I get fluency, so I would say that there is only one thing. The key is practice. I practice a lot, and as a beginner I practiced a lot. Now also I practice a lot. Now I don't think that much about this language, but as a beginner 24/7 I used to think about this language. And ever since I started learning this language, I am consistent. Every single day I show up, every single day I practice. So what are you going to do as a learner? You should also be consistent, right? Because if you maintain consistency, then you are going to see the result. My friend, no matter how much effort you are going to put, it compound, right? So if you are giving few minutes or few hours, it totally depends on your spare time. Then as per your time, you are going to learn this language, right? As a beginner, we need to focus so much because we have to understand things clearly, right? Because we have problem in understanding. When we try to listen, even we don't understand. When we try to read, we don't understand. When we talk to people, we don't understand. So we have to focus so much. We have to give a lot of time. Then we can understand this language. Then once we start understanding the thing, then things will become little easier. Then we can start speaking too, right? Because if you don't understand, how come are you going to speak this language, right? So you should first of all learn how to understand, and how you can learn it if you give quality of time, if you practice every single day, if you are consistent. I can assure for this language only that I am very consistent. For other work, I don't have idea. I think I am not that much consistent for other work in my life. Yeah, for reading, listening, especially for this language, I am consistent. For other thing also, if I try, I'll become, So this is the thing. If you want to learn this language, be consistent. Because if you practice few minutes or few hours, my friend, it will compound and it will give you a huge or big result. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you. Why I wanted to share with you? Because many people, they ask, they have some question in their mind that how does he practice, right? So my friend, this is how I practice. And I told you, right, that as a beginner we have to focus so much, but once we start speaking this language, we just need to be consistent. And if we have a lot of time, we should give. If we don't have, then we should somehow manage. But we should maintain one thing, that is consistency, right? So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. I hope this video is little bit helpful for you. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.